Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Safari zoomed out on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to open the Safari and you see that Safari has been zoomed out too much, and if you want to zoom in, then you can simply what you have to do, you have to make sure that you use Safari in zoom in. So here you can simply see that if you want to zoom out the Safari, which means you want to use Safari in normal mode, here you can simply see that it is not happening, that it is trying to show you a larger text, and if you want to use it in a normal mode. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here you can simply find all the website in the zoomed out option, and you want to fix that. Then you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to look for apps. And in apps, you have to simply go for the settings of the Safari, and here you have to make sure that you have not zoomed too much settings of the page zoom. So here you have to make sure about that. So you have to simply click on 100% so that it comes on normal mode. So now you have to open the Safari again, and you have to make sure that you have click on new tab, and after that, as you open the new tab, as you can see, that new tab will open in normal mode. So if you want to check whether your problem has been solved or not, then you have to open a new tab, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.